It's Friday, February 8th, and it has been a rough week. I did come down with the flu. In fact, they had me do x-rays today to make sure it wasn't pneumonia, and it's not, thank goodness. But the cough was so bad, the doctor was pretty concerned, and I have a track record of bronchitis, so. But anyway, it's just the flu, which compared to pneumonia and bronchitis isn't so bad. I haven't done much cardio, obviously, but I have been keeping up with my Tai Chi, and in fact, I'm truly grateful that I have Tai Chi. Having fibromyalgia is a lot like having the flu body aches all the time. So then when you add the flu body aches on top of it, it's really miserable. Plus, of course, when you have the flu, all you want to do is sleep, and you need to sleep so that you can heal and recover. But the more I lay around, the stiffer I get and the more pain I'm in. So I'm really glad that I had my Tai Chi. It was exactly what I needed. Just enough movement to really get me loosened up and the blood flowing, but not enough to make me start coughing and hacking and wheezing. So thanks for that, Dr. Chang. Have a good night. Bye.